I'm sure you've heard the news. The best blue cheeseburgers are just 25 minutes away. Let's dive in. First things first, gather your ingredients: 4 hamburger buns, 1 pound of ground chuck, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 2 minced garlic cloves, chopped green onions, 1/2 cup crumbled blue cheese, 1 large egg, 1 tablespoon of water, and salt and pepper. In a large bowl, toss in that ground beef, mustard, garlic, onions, blue cheese, water, egg, and a pinch of salt and black pepper. Now here's the fun part. Use your hands to mix it all together, but be gentle, don't overmix. Shape your patties and pop them in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. While those chill, prep your grill. Oil the grates with tongs and a paper towel dipped in vegetable oil. Make sure it's hot and ready. No grill? No problem. A grill pan or cast iron frying pan works just as well. Season your patties with salt and pepper and grill them up for about 5 minutes per side. Serve on those toasty buns with your favorite toppings. Want extra blue cheese? Go for it. Bon appetit, y'all. Brokenwood Mystic Farms.